Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to go back to the classic Yahoo Mail view. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser to log in your Yahoo account. So kahit anong web browser yung gamitin mo pag login ng ating accounts ay pwede po siya. So, ang gagamitin natin ay yung Chrome browser. So, i-click lang natin yan. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-sign in sa ating Yahoo account. So, dito lang sa top right corner, makikita mo dito yung sign in. So, itap mo lang yan. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-login sa ating account. So, click lang natin yan. Okay, so automatic mga kaibigan na nakapag-login na tayo. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang itap tong inbox ng ating account. And makikita mo na dito yung ating Yahoo Mail account ay isa itong basic versions. Alright? So itong basic versions ay kung paano ba natin ito i-back to the classic or yung standard version ng Yahoo Mail. So napakasimple lang. Dito lang sa top right corner makikita mo dito yung switch to the standard versions of Yahoo Mail or ito yung tinatawag na classic versions. So, itap mo lang yan. And then, automatic mga kaibigan na matatransfer or mag-back na tayo dito sa ating classic versions. Okay, so makikita mo na dito, ito yung bagong versions or the classic versions ng Yahoo Mail. Kung gusto mo ulit mag-change into the basic versions ng Yahoo Mail, napakasimple lang. So, dito lang sa top right corner, i-click mo lang tong settings. And then, select mo lang dito yung more settings. And dito sa left side menu, and then scroll down. And then, ilocate mo lang dito yung switch to basic mail. So, kailangan mo lang itap yan para mag-back to basic versions. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to change Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.